Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock powder, easy method. Begin by roasting bones and vegetables until golden, simmer them in water with a bay leaf and peppercorns for strong broth, strain solids, reduce liquid by simmering until richly concentrated, then dehydrate the concentrate until brittle and grind into a fine powder. Finally season lightly and store in an airtight jar for quick soups and seasoning. Gather tools and ingredients before you start so the process flows. Roast bones for depth, add onion, carrot, and celery for aromatics, and simmer with water to extract gelatin and flavor. Strain through a fine sieve, skim fat for cleaner powder, reduce to a syrupy consistency, then spread thin to dry fully. Grind, taste for salt, and label jars so you always have homemade stock powder ready. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more kitchen hacks and recipes. Quick recommendation. I noticed a great read nearby and thought I would share. Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The Simple Path to Wealth is worth a look if you enjoy simple, practical advice. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on flavor concentration during simmering and reduction for maximum impact. Roast bones and caramelize vegetables to add complexity, and reduce the strained broth until syrupy so less mass needs drying. Dehydrate pieces completely to prevent mold, and pulse into a powder rather than overprocessing to keep texture light. Use small amounts when seasoning dishes, since homemade powder is potent and full of natural umami.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.